Constant Contact Tutorial 2023 Email Marketing Platform for Beginners. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. In this video, we're going to be discussing about Constant Contact and how you can use it for digital and email marketing. So let's just get straight into it. Now, first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to come to constantcontact.com, okay? Now, this is obviously their main website, so you're going to head in over here. Now, once you're over here, you can see all this stuff, deliver stunning emails and a whole lot more. And like you have all these things over here. You can check it out later if you want to. You know, the tools you have are email marketing, SMS marketing, social media marketing, marketing automations, everything like that. So you can check it out later if you want to. What I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to head straight into it and go and create my free trial. So obviously right now what it's going to do is it's going to ask me for an email, password, first name, last name, organization name, just set myself up properly. Now what I'm going to be doing in this case is using a temp mail for myself, but obviously I'm just using it for the video purposes. If you're doing this for the long haul, then I recommend that you use a proper email for yourself. Do not use a temp mail like me because they can easily be lost. So once you've put in an email, set up a good password, choose, your first name, last name, organization name, and once it's all in text, you're going to click on Get Started. Now, once you click on Get Started, we're just going to wait for this to load us in, okay? So it's going to load us up in like a few seconds, so let's just wait for it to do that. And here we are. So here we see one moment while we create your account. Now, while the account is creating, let me take you through like what we're going to do. Basically, we're going to be, setting up our dashboard, setting up the account settings. I'm also going to show you how to import contacts, make sign-up forms, landing pages, email automations, and email campaigns. So over here, we can see you're going to do big things with your new account, with your free trial. You can, do all this stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Go to my account because I just want to get straight into it, So once we're here, it's obviously going to load us in. So I'm just going to wait for it to do that. So here we are. Welcome, John. Let's get to know each other. A few quick questions will help us learn about you and your marketing needs. So you're going to click on Let's Go. Let's start with your business name. You can skip this step for now, but you can also add it. Doesn't really matter. I'm just going to write this. And if your company isn't listed, then you can also skip it. Like it's going to check Google if your company is listed. If it's not, just skip it. So great. How familiar are you with Constant Contact? So obviously we're going to go with not very. I am new to this. Sounds good. What type of business are you? I'm going to go with software development. Okay. Once I go with that, I'm going to click on next, and here it says, okay, gotcha. What are you trying to do within your first 30 days using Constant Contact? So you can choose all of these if you want to. So once you do that, you're going to click on next, and here it says, thanks. You already have a list of contacts. I'm going to go with no, but if you do, you can go with yes, and it's going to ask you to, import your contacts directly through CSV or, Google Mail, something like that. Got it. Do you already have a website? You can go with yes if you do. I'm going to go with no, and I'm going to click on next. And once we've done all that, here it says, thanks. One more thing. Do you sell online? This is obviously for your e-commerce store. If you do, you can go with yes. I'm going to go with no again because I just want a simple, Constant Contact email marketing platform. Now, once I am here, it's going to bring me to my dashboard. So let's just wait for the dashboard to load up so we can get into the details. So here we are. This is my dashboard. So once we are in the dashboard, we can see all these things, in the dashboard. First of all, you have the header section. In the header section, you can see all the tools that you have, like campaigns, contacts, reportings, sign-up forms, Google Ads and search engine optimization, events, socials, integrations, libraries. Then you also have the support line phone number. You can view pricings, you can contact them, etc. So let's go ahead and view pricings first of all before we get into, everything. Right now, obviously, we're on the free trial, but this is like a 30-day free trial. Obviously, after the free trial, you're going to have to buy a proper priced plan because without that, you will not be able to use Constant Contact properly. And wait, I stand corrected. It's a 60-day free trial, which is like even better. So once we've done all that, here we are. So here it's first of all going to, ask us how many email plans we want, how many SMS plans we want, So here we are. There's the core plan, which is $9.99 a month, and then there's the plus plan with the $45 a month. The core plan has, your basic features, but the plus plan has a lot of core features which are just amazing. So you can like check all of this out later if you want to get the higher plan, but yeah, that's basically all there is when it comes to, the dashboard. Let's go ahead and see our account settings now. So you're going to go in my account. Now, once it starts loading for you, what you're going to do is obviously you're going to go into your account details. In the account details, you can mess up with all these things, like you can have your own branding kit and colors, you can choose your profile details, organization details, you can add all these things to, make yourself more, look more professional, look more verified, and once you've done all that, you can also go to your billings, and in the billings, you can choose your billings. So like, they should have a payment method through which they can bill you, and you can choose, a custom payment method according to whatever you want, okay? And then you have managing users, where you can basically add new users and you can also manage them as, whatever their role is to be. You have your account emails. These are all emails currently linked to your account basically. So these are also available. And then there's the advanced settings. So you can check all of this out later if you want to. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to basically show you how to import contacts, okay? Now to import contacts, what you're going to do is you're going to head on to contacts over here, okay? Now, once you head on to contacts, what's going to happen from here is that you're going to get two different options. Now, either you can add a user, create a user basically that you can add into your Constant Contact website, or what you're going to do is you're going to import them using a CSV or maybe your Gmail, because you have contacts added in your Gmail, and maybe you have a CSV which is full with list of contacts. So here we are, okay? Now, contacts. Discover improvements to help you manage your contracts in this knowledge-based article. And obviously to import contacts, you can just click on add contacts, and you can either create new contacts, type or paste contacts, upload from a spreadsheet file, which is a CSV file. You can choose from several other apps to integrate to add contacts, and much, much more. So that's how you're basically going to import contacts, pretty basic stuff. Then let's move on next to sign up forms. These are also pretty important and a pretty vital feature and a great tool which Constant Contact provides you with. So let's just wait for this to load up, and I'm going to talk about this more in detail. So here we are. You haven't created any forms. Create sign up form. We're just going to click on create sign up form, and here we go. We have these like 6 type of discrete forms: pop-up, flyout, banner, inline, lead, and Facebook lead. So a sign-up form can either be a pop-up or a flyout, okay? Now, a pop-up is a display pop-up that prompts visitors to sign up. A flyout is, it just slides in like, a normal slide. And then thirdly, it comes your landing page. A landing page is a customizable landing page for generating new leads through social media and email. So you can also create a landing page, which is, it's pretty necessary when it comes to, your marketing. A landing page is pretty useful because it's a page where someone lands at when they click on a link. So you can have, vital information regarding your business or whatever you're marketing over there. And you can also have information about your socials, your personal details if someone wants to contact you. Then lastly, let's discuss about email automations and email campaigns, okay? So first of all, you can create automations for yourself. And to create automations, just come to campaigns, click on create, and you can get all these options. So first of all, there's the automations, which sends emails automatically when users click or join or purchase. And then obviously there's email campaigns, where you can create professional emails to send to targeted groups of your contacts. So yeah, that's basically all there is to using Constant Contact. Like, it's not very complicated, pretty compact, and it's pretty abstract. Works pretty great, works pretty easily. And it won't take you long to get familiarized with this. So yeah, that's pretty much about it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, please drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please let me know down in the comments below. But yeah, until then, I hope you all keep having a great day. That was all from me, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.